AMC and GameStop have both garnered loyal retail trader followings, but the way each company's leaders have addressed this phenomenon couldn't be more different. Kate Rooney is here. I can't resist making a little bit of a red and green crack after that last discussion, Kate. Everything has implications now. Anyway, you're here on a much more serious note to look at the difference in approach between Aron and Ryan Cohen.
That's right. Different strokes here, Kelly. These two have taken very different approaches in the way that they harness the retail trader. Let's start with Aron. He took over as AMC CEO 5 years ago, and analysts really describe his tactics as what you'd expect from a more old school hospitality executive, putting the customer, and in this case, the investor first. Aron was the CEO of Starwood Resorts, Norwegian Cruise Lines, and Vail Resorts at one point. He's really been reaching out directly to this group of Reddit traders on Twitter. He's been doing YouTube interviews, and the movie theater chain launched its own portal on AMC's website directly for shareholders. They've got perks like early screenings, free popcorn, and he's reminded investors a couple times in recent tweets that they own the company and he works for them. Now over to Ryan Cohen. For one, he's about 30 years younger than Aron. Cohen is the former founder of Chewy. He's also the chairman right now of GameStop's board, so not the CEO. And although he owns about 12% of that company, what he says really goes at GameStop. He has been the face of this company lately. And Cohen is not as explicit in this outreach to the Reddit crowd. One analyst described it as the Elon Musk approach. Cohen's tweets can be sort of cryptic if you remember this one, the ice cream cone. And GameStop's big tech turnaround strategy has been equally opaque. We've gotten almost no details on that. Another big difference, GameStop hasn't taken advantage of this recent retail rally to raise money. AMC, meanwhile, a lot more opportunistic and continues to sell equity to pay down debt. Kelly.
I think that's a good point that you make, because while the jury's still out on exactly what happens with the stock price of both of these companies, at least AMC is saying, fine, well, you're going to give us the capital, we'll go out and raise it, we'll try to shore up our balance sheet. Why is GameStop being more conservative?
It's so interesting. Every analyst I talk to is confounded. They don't know. They say, this would be a great thing. They could raise money to really do this turnaround strategy, potentially M&A, maybe buy a tech company to actually implement this tech strategy. People are scratching their heads, and they say that, that also adds to some of the mystery around Ryan Cohen. Why hasn't he done this? It could be that they're waiting for a new CEO. The current CEO is on the way out. Ryan Cohen really has been a leader here, but it's unclear. It seems like a win-win. AMC has done this and gotten a lot of praise, and the shareholders are happy. He's happy. And like you guys mentioned in the last segment, there are insiders that are selling, seeing this as an opportunity. The CEO, meanwhile, diamond hands, if you want to use that reference, he is not selling, which retail traders love.
Yes, absolutely. But you do wonder if GameStop could look back at a missed opportunity here if they don't do something quickly, maybe like you said with new leadership. Kate, thank you.
Thanks,
Kate
Kelly.
Rooney.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.